Let us look at proposition number 5 of book 12 of Euclid's Elements. The proposition says pyramids of the same height with triangular bases are to one another as their bases. So let's see, given pyramids A, B, C, G and D, E, F, H of the same height with bases ABC and DEF being triangles and vertices G and H. Now what the proposition is saying is that base ABC is to base DEF as the pyramid ABCG is to pyramid DEFH. So we will again use proof by contradiction. Assuming that it is not, then base ABC is to base DEF as pyramid ABCG is to some solid which is not equal to DEFH. That is, either it is less or greater. That means we have two cases now. So let it be a solid W less than pyramid DEFH. So in the other case, we will look at the greater part. So let's actually bring in this solid. So here, this solid is less than this pyramid DEFH. Now divide the pyramid DEFH into two equal pyramids and two equal prisms. We know how to do that. So let's do that. And the other pyramid. And what is left out are the two prisms. We know previously we have seen that two prisms in a pyramid which has been divided are greater than half of the pyramid DEFH. We don't stop here. We keep dividing the smaller pyramids into two equal pyramids and two equal prisms. So DQRS and STUH, we divide it further into two equal prisms and two equal pyramids. We keep doing this till at some point the smallest pyramids become less than the difference between these two. That is pyramid DEFH minus solid W. For simplicity's sake, let us say, let them be pyramids DQRS and SUTH. So the pyramids DQRS and SUTH are less than W, which implies that the prisms are greater than solid W. Now, divide the pyramid ABCG similarly into equal pyramids and equal prisms same number of times. So if we kept on dividing it, say 3 times, 4 times, we have to divide this pyramid also the same number of times. Again, we have seen that triangle ABC is to triangle ABF is equal to prisms in ABCG is to prisms in DEFH. By the way, I didn't divide this, so let me divide that also. Triangle ABC is to triangle DEF is equal to pyramid ABCG is to solid W. This is our starting assumption. So here we have ABC is to DEF is equal to prisms in ABCG is to prisms in DEFH, and we have ABC is to DEF is equal to pyramid ABCG is to solid W. So that means pyramid ABCG is to solid W is equal to prisms in ABCG is to prisms in DEFH. Alternately, we can say pyramid ABCG is to prisms in ABCG as solid W is to prisms in DEFH. Okay. Now, pyramid ABCG is greater than the prisms in ABCG, which implies solid W is also greater than prisms in DEFH. And here is where we reach a contradiction. Why? Because here we are saying solid W is greater than prisms in DEFH, and here we have said, or rather we have arrived at a statement which says that the prisms are greater than solid W. So, because of this contradiction, our assumption that solid W is less than pyramid DEFH is wrong. It is not less than pyramid DEFH. So, base ABC is to base DEF is not equal to pyramid ABCG is to a pyramid less than pyramid DEFH. Okay. Now, similarly, we can show that base DEF is to base ABC is not equal to pyramid DEFH is to a pyramid which is less than pyramid ABCG. So that was the less than part. Now we prove for the greater part that is also not possible. So the only available option is that they are equal. So now let's assume that solid W is greater than pyramid DEFH. Inversely, base DEF is to base ABC is equal to solid W is to pyramid ABCG. Now, applying the lemma from book 12, proposition 2, we can say solid W is to pyramid ABCG is equal to pyramid DEFH is to a solid less than pyramid ABCG. So therefore, DEF is to base ABC is equal to pyramid DEFH is to solid less than pyramid ABCG. That means we have reached a contradiction, since it was proved in the previous case that this statement is not true. So therefore, base ABC is to base DEF is not equal to pyramid ABCG is to a pyramid greater than pyramid DEFH. So it was proved that it is not less, and now it is proved that it is not greater. So that means base ABC is to base DEF is equal to pyramid ABCG is to pyramid DEFH. That is proposition number 5 of book 12 of Euclid's Elements. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now.